This is Eric with New Flow St. Louis. I'm at 895 New Smizer Road, 63026. I am pushed out to the main from the roof vent that is, it's towards the back of the house. So we're looking at the main here. Downstream manholes about 50 foot to the left. Upstream manholes approximately 50 foot upstream. They're both in the neighboring yards. So pull back now. I just cleared very heavy root growth at pretty much in this entire length from the main to where it turns to PVC. So we're in 4-inch clay right now, and we'll inspect the pipe. And this is after I've cleared the blockage. There was roots at this hub. There were roots right at the main. You can still, there's still some roots right here. So I've got most of it out, cleared the blockage. That will have to be, I do recommend to have this section lined to prevent these roots from coming back, because inevitably they will come back. Cabling them out is only a temporary solution. So this is where the clay meets the PVC. This is where the worst blockage was. Now we're pulling back. This is a 4-inch PVC. Has several turns in it. These turns just drop it to a certain level, and okay, so here's where the PVC meets the cast iron building drain. This is where we meet the foundation of the house. Pull back. Again, this is 4-inch cast iron. Here you can see some roots growing in at the top. So that's a sign there's a crack in this pipe. It may not be visible, but roots have found it and they're starting to intrude, which will cause a problem, eventually cause a backup and further deterioration of the pipe. Okay, now we're going around a turn. There's a Y on the right. I'm just going slow here just to make sure I do a thorough inspection of this spot. Okay, that's the bottom of the stack, or the roof vent. Both, I guess. So we'll pull up. And there's a couple connections. It's all PVC after once it 90s up, going vertical. And there's a couple connections. Okay. So here's the roof vent access I was working from. That's the backyard. Again, the roof vent. Get a picture of the front of the house. It's Highway 270 right on the other side of New Smizer Mill Road. Or I'm not 270. 141, I believe. So, to conclude this video, we've cleared a blockage that was in the section where the clay met the PVC out towards the main. Between the main and that PVC, all that was blocked up with roots. So we have cabled it out. Do recommend to have that section lined to prevent roots from growing in the future. Did see a small spot in the cast iron where there was some roots. So do recommend to have that addressed as well with a liner. Other than that, everything else seemed to be in pretty decent shape. There's no yard clean out, but the manholes on the main, upstream and downstream, are approximately within 50 foot of where this lateral meets the clay main. So, and that concludes our video inspection of the sewer line at 895 New Smizer Mill Road.